Right, straight into it. eBay, new page layout. It's terrible. Right, this is purchase history. This is their idea for the new layout. Now it says a bulb that I bought, but it doesn't, tells me a delivery date, but what date did I purchase it? Where's my history? Where's my purchase history? Rubbish. I need to know my history, not the sender's. I want both. I want my date of purchase and the date of when it when it's expected to arrive. Also, you used to click on the item number and that would take you straight to your item to see what's going on. What have you done? How rubbish is this new layout? You've taken stuff away, and this thing up here, what a waste of space. You know, why have I got return this item up here? You know, what a waste of space. I know I've paid it. I know it's been dispatched because that would all be linked in the item number before. And you've got all this wasted space up here. And now it means I can only view one item at a time. I can't look at this item. If I want to do a screen grab, I can't do a screen grab of both of them. What a pain. Right, it says track this item, track the package. Well, why doesn't this one say the same? Look, return this item. I don't want to return it. I've said it's arrived. Right, go to here, go to this bit and say, I've still got to track this package. 1st of May, 19th of March. It's already here. I got it on the 8th of March. You know, so you're up to, I do not like this page system at all. Where's the date I purchased it? Again. And the tracking number, not linked. How stupid is that? Waste of space, again, up here with this information. Don't need it up here. It's a waste of space. Now when we go down to, let's go down to, I'll keep going down. Yeah, look at this one. They say they removed it from the listing, right? Now this, I had arrived and everything, but why have they removed the picture? Why have they done this? I can view all the details again, but I don't want all this. It's already arrived. This is the trouble. Again, I can't click the tracking number. You know, where's my date of purchase again? Nah, sorry, I really do not like this new layout that eBay are doing. It is rubbish. Go back to the old one. It was far superior. You know, well, for those of you like me that save your history to keep so that eBay don't have to sell it. Now, if eBay was to get rid of that, go back to the old one, be much better. But at the moment, the only way you can do it and save your history is click on the help and contact, right? That will bring up this page, which shows your last few orders. Click see all, right? And you think, well, that's it. I shouldn't have to click it again. But no, see more. You know, why are they doing this to us, making us click around the place and that? And now I can go back to all my orders back from my latest order to my first order in December. This is a quick and easy way to get to it. But, go down here, right click, Go save as, and there you just save that to wherever you want to save it to, but add the date in this bit here. Okay, and then just click save, and that will save it. Okay, there you go. And that's how you save it. Got an angel, she's driving